What if I show you how I was able to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube in 5 days? Will you be able to try it out? I was able to use this particular process to monetize my 2 YouTube channel, and I'm going to be sharing the process with you in this video. You just want to pay very close attention, as we all already know that to actually get our channel monetized on YouTube, we actually need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to be sharing with you how users are getting 4,000 watch hours currently right now on YouTube. You just need to pay very close attention, and if you should come right here, you'll be able to see that this particular channel right here now have over 3.9k watch hours right here. You can see it right there, and I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to achieve this a kind of watch hours, which is close to 4,000 watch hours on YouTube in less than 5 days. And if you should come to this section right now, if I should come right here, you'll be able to see that this particular channel is 96 subscribers. A channel that is 96 subscribers, see the watch hours, 3.3k subscribers. You can see it right there. And this channel was created 3 days ago, which means this channel is not up to 5 days, and I was able to achieve this kind of watch hours on this particular channel. I'm going to be sharing with you the strategies that I used to achieve this and how I was able to achieve this using a new channel, both my old channel and new channel. I have tried this particular process on my old channel and it actually worked for me, and I also try it on my new channel and it also worked for me, even though I'm not giving you any guarantee that you'll be able to get your 4,000 watch hours, but you learning this particular process may actually help you. Okay, and if you come back right here, you'll be able to see the type of watch hours which I was able to achieve, and that is exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. But before we continue, the first thing I want you to do right now for me is to help me to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comment section that you are looking for a way to get your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube in the comment section of this video before we continue. The first thing I need to do right now is to go to YouTube, go to your YouTube channel. Okay, you can see once we go to your YouTube channel right now, I'm going to be using this new channel for this tutorial. This channel is is about 1,000 subscribers, but it has not achieved its 4,000 watch hours. You can see the channel right here. This is the channel which I'm going to be using right now. All I just need to do is to go to this channel right now and copy one long form video. That is what I'm going to do. Interesting video, copy an interesting video in your channel that is interesting. Make sure it's your own channel that you are using, that is the channel that you want to achieve the 4,000 watch hours. Once I come to the channel, let's take for instance I want to use this particular video. All I just need to do is to go on right now and get the link. Once I get the link of this particular video, the next thing I need to do is to leave this particular section right now and go to my Chrome browser. You can see this is my Chrome browser right now. I will open my Chrome browser. Once I open my Chrome browser right now, I'm going to search for classified ad. Once I search for classified ad, it will take me to this particular section right now. Once it take me to this particular section, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be promoting that particular link which we copied, and that particular video is what we are going to give, or that is what will give us our 4,000 watch hours, adding to subscribers which you are going to be getting also. But the major aim of this particular video is getting our 4,000 watch hours in less than 5 days. Let's actually continue. All I just need to do is go right now and click on this classified ad. If you have a new YouTube channel or you have an old channel that have not achieved its 4,000 watch hours, comment your niche in the comment section of this video so that those in your niche will be able to follow you. Okay, you can see it right there, so that you'll be able to get more subscribers. Go to the comment section right now and drop your niche in the comment section of this video and tell me that you are following me from, and mention your country where you are following me from before we continue. Okay, let's go on right now. Once you come to classified ad is actually a platform whereby you can actually post free adverts. Okay, and this free advert will actually be leading people to watch our videos, and this will actually be boosting our watch hours every single day. Okay, all we just need to do is to come right here and click on this post your ad for free. You can see once you click on post your ad for free, thousands if not millions of people, depending on how interesting your video is. If your video is not interesting, you will hardly get much watch hours, because if people are not watching the video from beginning to the end and they are clicking and they are leaving your video, the bounce out rate is increasing. That means your watch hour will be small. But if your video is a long video that is interesting, that means you will get much watch hours using this process which I'm about to share with you right now. Okay, this is not for lazy people actually. The next thing I need to do is go on right now and select this first category. I'm going to select job. Once I select job, remember I have already copied my link, one of the long form video. I copied the link. Do not copy short video. Do not use short video for this process. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to go on right now and choose business opportunity in this particular section right now. Choose business opportunity. Once I choose business opportunity, in the location, choose location of your audience. If you want audience in US to be watching you, if your video is for audience in US, select US. If your video is for audience in Nigeria, select Nigeria. Okay, right here, because my own audience is for audience in Nigeria, I'm going to select Nigeria. Just immediately after choosing Nigeria, which is the location of my audience and not the location of where I base. Okay, the next thing I need to do is to scroll down right now to this particular section right now. I'm going to enter my ad title. My ad title should be the title of the video which I'm posting. If my video is about earning, okay, USDT, okay, I will put the title of my video right here. Once I put the title of my video right, I'm using this as example. The next thing I do is to scroll down right now to this particular section right now. In this place that they are asking you for asking price, all we don't do is to put any amount right here. This is just what they are going to be using to actually draw people close to your ads. Okay, I'm going to be putting just $1 right here. Once I put that, the next thing I do is scroll down right now. Right here, I'm going to be inputting description. Okay, what will be description of our video is? Description should be what we actually describe the link. People need to know about the link which you want to input. Okay, all I don't need to do is this. Okay, I will write the description for that particular link. This. Okay, see what I actually wrote right here. After writing my description, I'm not going to be dropping the YouTube link just like that. All I just need to do is to go right now to Bitly. I'm going to search for Bitly. Okay, once I go to Bitly right now, once I search for Bitly on Google, go to their official website of Bitly, which is bitly.com, and shorten the link. We are going to be shorten the link, and it's that shorten link that we are going to be using. All we don't do is to go right now and shorten the link. I will put this is the YouTube link which I actually copied from my channel before. I will put it right there. I'll click on this create your Bitly right now to actually shorten the link. You can see this is the short link which they actually created for us. I'm going to copy this short link right now. After copying this short link, I will leave this section right now and go back to classified ad. If you are enjoying this particular process of getting your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, let me know in the comment section of this video so that I will actually understand that you are actually following this particular process. If you are a new YouTuber, let me know in the comment section of this video as we continue. Okay, the next thing I need to do is come to this section right now. This is actually a new process and it is only few people that knows about it. Okay, let's go on right now. I will input the shorten link right here. Once I input the shorten link right there, so that people will actually be able to see it and they'll be able to click it to go and watch the video, as this platform will be pushing more people. Mostly if that video is interesting, this platform will be pushing more people to watch that video, and in turn we are going to be getting more watch hours on that particular video, and in turn you will also be getting subscribers also. But the major aim of this video is getting our 4,000 watch hours. Let's go on right now. Right here, you are going to be inputting your name right here. Once you input your name, you can use the name of your channel. The next thing is input your email. Remember, do not use the email you use in creating your YouTube channel when you are doing this. The next thing you need to do is to repeat your email right here. Input your phone number, your own phone number with your country code. Input it right here. After that, you scroll down right here and enter the country where you are targeting right here. I'm going to be entering Nigeria right here. Okay, once you enter the country where you are targeting right here, you enter the postal code right here. After entering the postal code right here, you scroll down right now to this particular section right now. When do you want this ad to expire? Right here, I'm going to be choosing 2 weeks. As for me, you can choose 1 week depending on how fast you want your own to be. But if your video is a very long video, you can choose 1 or 2 weeks. But if your video is a very short video, you can choose 6 months or 3 months. Okay, that will actually help you to actually get more watch hours. Okay, I will choose 2 weeks. Once I choose 2 weeks, I will enter this code right here in this particular box right now to actually verify that I'm actually a human being. Okay, that is just that. Okay, after entering this particular code, the next thing I do is go on right now and enter an attractive image. You can actually generate the image using ChatGPT, or you download the image online. I will enter the image. I will click right here to choose the image which I want to use. Just after inputting all my details, the next thing I to do is to click on this to agree with their terms and condition. After reading their terms and condition, I will click on this section right now to agree with their terms and condition. The next thing I need to do is to go on right now and click on this post this ad. Once I click on this post this ad, my ad will be posted on this platform. My ad will be posted automatically to this particular platform. And if you should check right here, you will see your ad has been posted. You can see it right there. The next thing I have to do is to go on right now and start checking my YouTube channel to actually know maybe if my watch hours is increasing or not. But make sure that the video which you are using is actually a video in your niche that is delivering value. And you should also know your target audience. If your target audience is from UK, you should know. If your target audience is from Nigeria, you should know your target audience before you actually start this particular process of posting your ad. Just immediately after posting your ad, you wait for at least 48 hours for your ad to be approved. You'll be checking your email. Once you check your email and your ad is approved on this particular platform, your ad will start running, and in turn, you will see your watch hours increasing using this particular process. And if you get value from this particular video, kindly help me to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and tell me in the comment section that you get value from this particular video. And I'm signing out for now.